Hi all, welcome back again. This is your Rocky only. So today we'll be discussing about SQL injection blind. So yesterday we discussed about SQL injection, standard based SQL injection, and we are going to check. Before going to blind SQL injection, right? So first thing is to like understand what it is. So basically, it is nothing but a standard SQL injection wherein the attacker exploits trying when he's trying to exploit it, he gets a error message like he like rather than getting an error message, he'll be getting a generic page which is done by the developer. So so this is not, I mean, it's not like this makes the uh, blind SQL injection difficult but not impossible. And also they can get the information by asking true or false questions through SQL statements. And so they mentioned that ID variable within the PHP scripts is vulnerable to SQL injection. SQL injection, there are 5 users in the database, and if this with IDs from 1 to 5, your our mission is to steal passwords for all the 5. And they mention if you receive a magic codes error, turn them off in php.ini. Okay, let's see what it let's see how many, like let me confirm, if there are, if you are getting 5 IDs first. Okay, so yeah, so 5 IDs, fifth ID, yeah. So if I try to enter sixth one, no, so only 5 IDs are there. And so let me try to get try to enter this code. So try to make the server sleep for 5 seconds. We say 10. So no, it's not executing, because see, one thing is that because it's set to high. Now let me change it to low, and then go to blind transaction. Then if I try to put 5 seconds of delay, see, we can see it is taking time to get the response. And the same as if I take if I may want to show you how is the delay. So, okay, So we can see I'm giving 10 here. Mm, See, it's taking time. Let me show you people one more time. This time I'm giving a time delay of 5 seconds, and the server it takes 5 seconds delay. So we can see here it is just trying, like sleeping for 5 seconds and now giving the page back. However, when we execute the normal one script, right, gives me instantly. So there, that confirms that there is a blind SQL injection. Let me try increasing the difficulty to medium. And go and check that script. No, it's not happening. It's also not happening. Trying to execute. Union. That also doesn't execute. So let me change back to low, and our goal is to get the 5 passwords. So as we did it yesterday, let me try and get the hashes. So that hashes, I need to copy those hashes. Let me copy this hashes. And yesterday there was a site. What that website was. Crack station.